About a hyena attacking a lion. In a dramatic showdown in the wild, witness the rare and intense moment when a hyena dares to challenge the king of the savannah, the lion. This is nature's raw power on display. When a hyena targets a lion, it's not just a fight for dominance, it's a high-stakes battle that could change the power dynamics of the entire ecosystem. See the fierce clash unfold. In this extraordinary encounter, a hyena's audacity meets the formidable strength of a lion. Discover how this perilous confrontation unfolds in the heart of the wild. Watch as an audacious hyena confronts the mighty lion in a struggle that tests the limits of courage and strength. This is nature's ultimate showdown. Experience the rare and thrilling moment when a hyena challenges a lion's reign. In the wild, survival often means facing the fiercest adversaries. Certainly. Here are additional lines for your video. In the unforgiving world of the savannah, a hyena's daring attack on a lion reveals the brutal realities of nature's hierarchy. Witness this epic confrontation where every move could be a matter of life or death. A hyena's audacious assault on a lion is not just a fight, it's a clash of titans, where the power of the predator meets the resilience of the scavenger. See how this high-risk encounter unfolds. As the sun sets on the savannah, a tense standoff erupts between a fearless hyena and a powerful lion. Watch closely as survival instincts collide in this dramatic wildlife duel. In a rare and gripping spectacle, a hyena takes on a lion in a fight that challenges the very essence of strength and strategy in the wild. Witness the battle that tests the limits of both combatants. When a hyena confronts a lion, it's more than just a skirmish, it's a high-stakes gamble where every move counts. Dive into the raw and intense world of predator and prey.
Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh yeah, it's coming.
In the corner, going into the corner. Yes, you got it, you got it.
These battle winners who are self-increasable reach new levels of aggression. Advantage, and the baboon reluctantly gives way. baboon didn't keep his kill to himself for long. Yet the contest seems to be as much about male dominance. As ownership of the carcass.